Limited, MGVCL, is a public discom owned by the Government of Gujarat, serving the Central Gujarat region. You can complain about the problems regarding the electricity distribution services of MGVCL, such as power outages, transformer failure, billing disputes, or service line infrastructure issues. Also, contact the MGVCL Customer Care Center, CCC, or subdivisional officials of the Internal Grievance Cell, IGA, for unresolved complaints. To register an electricity complaint, visit the link below. Online, file an electricity complaint to MGVCL. Helpline number 19124 1800 to 332670. Email info.mgvcl@gmail.com. support.mgvcl@gmail.com. E-payment. If your submitted complaints are not resolved at level 1 by the CCC or subdivisional officers, escalate the matter to the IGR cell. Still not resolved? You can escalate the grievance to the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, CGRF, of MGVCL. Further, you may file a complaint or appeal to the Electricity Ombudsman, Gujarat. Contact details of the Internal Grievance Cell, IGR cell, in each circle, division, and subdivision of MGVCL are provided below. Customers and industrial clients can call, email, or write to the designated engineers or officials. Anand Circle. Contact details of the officers at the circle offices of MGVCL. Designation: Executive Engineer, Anand Circle. Phone number: +912692247366, +912692247366. Email: anand.tech@gmail.com. 1. Anand Division. Division Subdivision, MGVCL. Contact details: Anand Division. 4. Can use these contact details of the circle, divisional, and subdivisional offices of MGVCL to register your complaint. If not resolved, you may also escalate your disputed matter to the head corporate office of the MGVCL, specifically, business or commercial disputes. Head Office, MGVCL. Contact details of the head office. Designation: Managing Director, MGVCL. Phone number, Office: +912652310583, +912652310586. Email: info.mgvcl@gmail.com, md.mgvcl@gmail.com. Address: Madhya Gujarat Wej Company Limited, MGVCL, Sardar Patel Vidyut Bhavan, Race Course, Vadodara 390007. Still not resolved? You may escalate the complaint to the CGRF Forum of MGVCL and the Electricity Ombudsman, Gujarat. You may approach the Gujarat Electricity Regulatory Commission, GERC, for licensee disputes. Further, appeal to the Appellate Tribunal.